Alright, came back to the river. I didn't bring my GoPro because I wasn't really expecting to catch something right now because it's so windy. I got a nice one. Can't even lie. Oh, he beached himself. It's a big one. It's a real big one. I don't know, probably 4-pounder. At least 4 pounds. Yeah, that's the biggest one I've caught in a while. Gotta be at least 4. Thing's a football. Yeah, thing's a straight football. Alright. Don't flop, buddy, please. Please don't flop. Back to back. Oh, please be recording. Oh, thank God. Another nice one. Probably a 3-pounder. They're all really nice. Oh, that's super sweet, back to back. Not a big one, but still a nice one. Well, you better not get my fucking shit wet, dude. Stop it, stop it. Oh, you just had the camera. Motherfucker. And I guess if I was a fish, the hook probably would hurt. Fucking March 8th. I'm out here in a t-shirt catching a nice smallmouth. That's fucking crazy. I'm definitely not complaining though. Alright. Let me fucking make this thing straight. There we go. So I'm still here. I'm about to leave. I was about to anyway. And then I gave it a couple more casts. One more cast anyway. A tiny ass pike. Anyway, it's fucking March 8th. It's been 60 for a couple of days. And they're finally in here. They're spawning. This is the earliest spawn we ever had. Like seriously. And fucking my dad didn't even believe me when I said that they're in here. But like, they're definitely in here. No one knows about it, and it's so sweet because I'm just catching them all. Yep, little pike.